9gag, a community-generated comedy site, has offered a first peek at their next NFT collection, Memeland, which will incorporate memes. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into details, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, crypto or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Since its launch in 2008, the platform has expanded to over 200 million members worldwide. Many of them are Web3 aficionados. 9gag rewards its supporters with advantages that are sure to convince customers to join, whether you enjoy memes or not. For those who have evolved in the area of meme comedy, 9gag's magnificent honeypot of delightfully bad crap from every issue we humans face today is a must-see. Since memes are considered an acquired taste by some, they have invoked every emotion a person can conceive. After 14 years, 9gag aims to introduce its community to the blockchain in the form of 9,999 salty sea captains. Each bearer can cruise the broken sea with their clever pirate crews in pursuit of wealth and renown while confronting the dangers that lurk under the surface. Holders can also have access to an NFT marketplace, private clubs, and even real-world events, not to mention special drops and early access to 9gag initiatives. As projects advance, details and quantities may change up to the actual minting date. As of today, these are the allocation numbers for the 9gag NFT collection. 9gag's AllowList winners and their partners will each get $6,900. The winners of the AllowList raffle will each receive $3,000 in prize money, $99 to be utilized in future marketing and collaborations. Because there is no road at sea, the authors claim that there will be no blueprint accessible at this time. While 9gag attempts to over-deliver and under-promise, some cash and grab techniques may make certain holders uneasy with this strategy. Despite their inexperience in the NFT arena, 9gag is no little fish, and this collection will aid in their Web3 development. As a consequence, 9gag will get 6.9% of secondary sales to fund operations and recruit new members in order to increase the value of the community. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this, before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFTs, crypto or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in go time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.